Okay, today we're going to do a little demonstration. This is a EMF Fields Acousticom 2 detector, and we're going to see right now. We're at the green side of the spectrum here. We're going to walk over to the Wi-Fi extender, and you can see the machine is going wild. Let's just unplug this, see what happens. Wow. Okay. Let's take a walk over to the main Wi-Fi router. Getting closer. Take a few steps away. About 10 feet, 15, 20 feet away. Meter settles down a little bit. Next, let's just walk back to the extender. Oh, wait, that's right. I unplugged that one. And here, this is going to be fun. This is the cordless phone. Okay, it's very quiet right now because it's unplugged. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Anyway, you get the idea. Let's unplug it. Whew. Tranquility. All right, so we got the Wi-Fi router, the extender. Yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to show. Have a good day. Don't forget to unplug your Wi-Fi routers at night, and or get your computers hardwired.